Madgate antaratmana Shraddhavan bhajate yoma Same yukta tamo mataha. Of all the yogis who always abides in me in great faith, worshipping me in transcendent loving service, is most intimately united with me in yoga and is the highest of all. Yoga. Now there is yoga day, and mostly people don't know what is yoga. Yoga means linking. And here Krishna is saying very clearly, Bhakti Yoga is best linking. Correct? Other yogas, some devotion is there, because without, there is a difference between, many people say, no, I am doing karma yoga. He is not doing karma yoga, he is doing karma bhoga. He is doing activity and he is enjoying the fruits. It's not karma yoga. Many people think they are doing karma yoga. They are not doing karma. They are doing karma bhoga. You understand difference? Karma yoga. Karma bhoga means he is doing an activity and he wants to enjoy the fruit. Okay? That is karma yoga. Sorry, karma bhoga. So first ladder comes karma yoga, where he starts sacrificing. In fact, Bhakti Yoga is a very big thing. Just, yeah. So Bhakti Yoga is actually a very big thing. In fact, we can say none of us are in Bhakti Yoga now, if you go strictly. Because there is contamination now. Karma and Jnana. So Karma Yoga is attached to being a chartered accountant. Very attached. I want that. And is also attached to the fruit. How much the customer will give me, very attached to the fruit. But at the same time, let me, after my earning, finally it's Krishna's, this money belongs to Krishna. Let me give something to Krishna. Correct? We can define so many ways. I'm just giving a simple definition. Jnana Yoga means he is cultivating knowledge, but there is still connection to Krishna. Therefore it is yoga. Otherwise it's not yoga. That is empty speculation. That has no meaning. But somewhere he wants to know the truth. And then Bhakti Yoga is special. The link is with love. He wants to serve Krishna. All other yogis, they want something, and only Bhakti Yoga goes to Vaikuntha. And Krishna says, only he knows me. Karma yogis, generally they remain in this world. Gyan yogis, Brahman. I am not body, I am Brahman. But only Bhakti yogi goes to Vaikuntha. Okay? Devi Mahesh Haridham Shute Shuteshu Goloka Namni Nijadhamni Tale Chatasya. The Nijadhama of the Lord, Goloka and Vaikuntha, is not available for Karma yogis and Jnana yogis. It's not that I do whatever I want. Based on that, your destination is also fixed. Like you, correct? So then Prabhupada is saying here in the purport, all are going in the same direction. But Bhakti Yoga reaches till the end. Others are, actually it is Bhakti Yoga only. Because there is contamination of fruits, it becomes Karma Yoga. Because there is contamination of Jnana, that becomes Jnana Yoga. You remove the contamination, it is Bhakti Yoga. Actual yoga means Bhakti Yoga. It's very nice. Prabhupada is very clear on this. So how nice it is. Prabhupada is saying is the most auspicious path. So Bhagavad Gita is actually divided into 3 parts. First 6 chapter, middle 6, end 6. Cream is the middle 6, where there will be a description of Bhakti Yoga. Last 6 there is analysis. Divine demonic nature, 13th chapter beginning, the Jnana, Geya, the object of knowledge, the knowledge, the observer, the field, analysis. Like that, if you take last chapters are some bit of analysis. And first 6 chapters are talking about other yoga system. The cream of Bhagavad Gita, Prabhupada says, in the center. Just like a sandwich, it is kept in the center. And this shloka, chapter talking about Ashtanga Yoga, ends in glorification of Bhakti Yoga. So Prabhupada defines a very nice word here. it talks about the word bhaja. Yoginam api sarvesham madganta antaratmanam shraddhavan bhajate. These shraddhavan and bhajate, these two words are very important here. Bhajate we can understand. Bhajate Prabhupada says is different from worship. Worship you can do even to a devata, but bhajan is not allowed. This is actually a concoction of Kali Yuga which they have started. Devi Devata Bhajan. It does not exist in the Vedas. In fact, Narada Muni got cursed. Narada Muni got cursed to become a Shudra because he was doing Devi Devata Bhajan in a worship of Vishnu. Okay? Mostly in Mangalore we have so many bhajana mandalis, very popular. I don't know, in other parts of India also may be there, but at least Mangalore I have seen bhajana mandalis, very popular, every locality, and people also generously donate. We have very nice, so many bhajana mandalis, and people generously support them, correct? And they are people go there. But mostly whenever I have seen them, we call them to temple. Sometimes they request, can you do bhajan? They do all Devi Devata bhajan along with Krishna bhajan. But they don't know bhajan is only for Krishna. There is no Kirtana means Hari Kirtana. There is no other Kirtana. This is a concoction people have created. Kirtana means only, otherwise why curse Narada, poor Narada? Kirtana means Hari Kirtana. Correct? Kirtanaya Sada Hari. Not Kirtanaya anything else. Only Hari. Take so many verses you can see. So anyway, the focus is therefore bhajan word Prabhupada says applies only to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Bhajan means devotion service only for the Supreme Lord. Correct? But worship we can do of the Devata. So we do offer respects. Just like in Mangalore there are so many Devi temples, so many Shiva temples. Definitely we offer respect. But we offer devotion service only to Krishna. Only to Vishnu. This is special respect. Just like there is at your place, police commissioner has come and his havaldar has come. Both are given respect, but due respect. No. He is also policeman. That's what people are doing. And many times what happens, people are not informed properly. Then half knowledge becomes a dangerous thing. That's what is happening. There is so much information given. See, one information I only tell you, there is some Supreme Lord, that also no name. There is one information. Generally given in most of the religions. One Supreme Lord is there, but not much, even no content about him. But here, not only so much details about God is given, so you can do bhajan. What bhajan you will do if you don't have any information? But so much information, at the same time there is information about Devi Devatas also. But half knowledge is a dangerous thing. People don't study. They try to make some kind of some khichdi and they make a mess out. That's what you see mostly in society. ISKCON, you people worship only Krishna. We worship so many Devi Devata. Here Prabhupada is saying, bhajan is only for Krishna. Anything else is concoction. Whatever people have created. Therefore Prabhupada says, worship is there. Respect you should give. But devotion service is only for Krishna. The Bhagavatam also says, akama sarvo kamo va moksha kamo udaridihi devreda bhakti yogena yadeda purusham para. And that was the objection of Narada. My dear Vedavyasa, what have you done? Because some people will show, this Purana is given. That is what Narada banks Vedavyasa in Bhagavatam. What have you done? Because the dull-headed people of Kali Yuga will stick to that platform. He said, people cannot directly take worship of the Supreme Lord. They cannot directly come to bhajan of the Vishnu or Krishna. Therefore, I have given all these low platforms also. You can worship ghost, you can worship Devi Devata. Then I talked about worship of Vishnu. Therefore, there were Tamsik Purana, Rajasik Purana, Satvik Puranas. So, but Narad Muni did not like it. I said, no, Jugupsitam, abominable, my dear disciple, what have you done? Because people will stick to that platform only. If you go to people today and tell worship of Vishnu is higher, they get angry. They want to stay in the neophyte level. It's not wrong. You're not condemning, but it's not the highest. You go and tell how many people in Mangalore you can convince. They will not get convinced. No? You are talking, this is mine is highest. Hare Baba. At least we can. Therefore, when in India, Prabhupada, around the world, Prabhupada preached about the problem. Millions of people came to accept Krishna consciousness. But India became a problem. You see how many lectures in Hindi, people start fighting with Prabhupada then. Then Prabhupada used to say, can we accept Bhagavad Gita? Even that is not possible, then what do you talk? There has to be some common ground. Just like so many in the Vedic times, so much discussions happen. There used to be some foundation. No? Can we accept Bhagavad Gita? If you accept Bhagavad Gita, it's very easy, very easy. Here is so clearly Krishna is saying. So many places Krishna says, Aham sarvasya prabhavu, I am the source of everything. Matta sarvam pravartate, everything is coming out of me. Iti matva bhajante mama bhuda bhava samanvitaha. If you understand this, you will worship me with all faith and heart. Matta paratarana anya, there is nothing higher to me. It's very clear, very, very clear. If somebody accepts the authority of Bhagavad Gita, but it doesn't, the reason is Veda Vyasa gave different levels. Just like somebody is in nursery, he should try to go to first class. But if you also stick at nursery and you say, please, I'll help you, you can go to first class, how long you will stay in nursery? No. What can you do then? What we cannot help. We can only help a person who wants to be helped. So here Prabhupada is very clear, Shraddhavan bhajate. Bhajan is only for Vishnu or Krishna. There is no other bhajan. At least in the Vedas. Correct? People can create, but it's not recommended. Worship is there. We can offer respects. We offer respects, but we only take shelter of Krishna. So yogi nam api sarvesham madgata antaran atmana shraddha. Now it all bhajan begins with shraddha. Without shraddha there is no bhajan. Correct? Now shraddha is not easy to get. To get shraddha, you need to have what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Kanishta Adhikari also, what do they need? Sangha. Beginning is Sangha. Asas Sangha Tyaga Ei Vaishnavachara Stri Sangi Eka Krishna Bhakta Ara. You see that even with association, if somebody is not progressing, means he is entangled in these two. Therefore Prabhupada said, when you are teaching somebody to play piano, if he doesn't know, very easy to teach. If he knows wrong way, you have to put double effort. In India, therefore, many times, particularly in South India, you have to put double effort. Because already he knows wrong. So you have to spend so much time. So Shraddhavan bhajate. So Shraddha is not easy to get. The Shraddha comes after Sangha. With Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu also word is not easy to define. Titikshava karunikaha surhida sarva bhutanam ajada shatrava shanta sadhava sadhu. Hindi. साधवा साधु भूषणम. सो प्रभुपाद जी इधर बता रहे हैं एक्चुअली कि जो भजन होता है वो खाली विष्णु कृष्ण का होता है. ये सब बनाया हुआ है आपका समाज में आजकल तमाशा. बाकी भजन इज ओनली फॉर विष्णु. कीर्तन या सदा हरि. खाली हरि का कर संकीर्तन. ये कलयुग का कंकॉक्शन है. एंड देन नेक्स्ट कम्स प्रभुपाद एक्सप्लेन द वर्ड श्रद्धा. ठीक है. सो भजन मीन्स इंग्लिश में वर्ड वर्शिप बोलते हैं. वर्शिप गलत है. वर्शिप मीन्स टू शो रेस्पेक्ट. रेस्पेक्ट तो सभी को दिया जाता है, लेकिन विष्णु को स्पेशल रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं. प्रभुपाद जी बोलते हैं हमारा भारतीय संस्कृति का नष्ट उस दिन हुआ था जब विष्णु को सबके देवताओं के बराबर कर दिया. यस्सु नारायण देवम ब्रह्म रुद्रादि देवता समत्वेन विश्येत सा पाषांडी भवे ध्रुवम. बाकी देवता तो छोड़ो, अगर आप विष्णु को ब्रह्मा शिवा के बराबर ले आए, आप पाषंडी बोला जाता है वेद में. सा पाषंडी मीन्स ऑफेंडर. आप अपराधी बन जाते हो उसमें. सा पाषंडी भवे ध्रुवम. सर्टेनली यू आर अ पाषंडी. दिस इज अ श्लोक फ्रॉम विष्णु पुराण. सा पाषंडी भवे ध्रुवम. ठीक है. सो नो, वी शुड नॉट डू दैट. ठीक है. वी शुड नॉट मेक दैट मिस्टेक. अदरवाइज दे विल नो स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस. ये जो आध्यात्मिक सुख मिलता है ना, ये केवल भगवान की सेवा मिलता है, विष्णु की सेवा में. देवी देवता सेवा में कोई आध्यात्मिक सुख नहीं मिलता. तो देयरफॉर वी कैन ऑल्सो टेस्ट. जो लोग देवी देवता की सेवा में पड़े रहते हैं, पूरी जिंदगी भौतिक ही रहते हैं वो लोग. दे रिमेन भौतिक. भौतिक मीन्स स्टिल आफ्टर फैमिली अटैचमेंट, स्टिल आफ्टर देयर material life, that's all. They cannot think transcendental. To think transcendental and feel, see what happens When you're serving Krishna, you feel transcendental happiness. Last class, I think we talked about transcendental, है ना? Spiritual duties, material duties. So we feel transcendental happiness in service to Krishna. कृष्ण की सेवा में एक आध्यात्मिक सुख मिलता है. देवी देवता सेवा में वो नहीं मिलता. बहुत लोग लड़ने आते, क्यों नहीं करूँगा मैं देवी देवता? करो, लेकिन आपका लक्ष्य क्या है? मेरा लक्ष्य दुनिया में अच्छे रहना है तो करो देवी देवता का सेवा, बस वो आगे जाने की जरूरत नहीं तुमको. मेरा लक्ष्य वैकुंठ धाम जाना है तो आपको देवी देवता मदद नहीं कर सकते, उसके कुछ मदद नहीं कर सकते. वही इस दुनिया में रहते हैं, वो आपको क्या मदद करेंगे? यह देवता, जस्ट लाइक जेल में आपको कितना मदद हो सकती है, कैसे आप जेल में खुशी से रहो, लेकिन आपको जेल के बाहर नहीं जा सकते. हाँ, शिव जी खुद बोलते हैं मुक्ति प्रदयत सर्वेषां विष्णु एव न संशयः. ये डाउट नहीं करो, खाली विष्णु आपको मुक्ति दे सकते हैं, मैं नहीं दे सकता आपको मुक्ति. अगर आपको मुक्ति चाहिए तो जनरली क्या होता है, लोगों को मुक्ति वक्ति कुछ नहीं चाहिए, दुनिया में मज़े से आराम से रहना है, ठीक है. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक मोक्ष चाहिए, बस शरीर नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा तो करो देवी देवता की पूजा. लेकिन अगर आपको वैकुंठ धाम जाना है तो आपको विष्णु की सेवा करनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है ना. आपको ट्रेनिंग होता है. तो ये ट्रेनिंग शुरू होता है श्रद्धा से, लेकिन श्रद्धा भी आसान से नहीं मिलती. श्रद्धा शब्द विश्वास और सुदृढ़ निश्चय कृष्ण भक्ति के लिए सर्व कर्म कृत है. श्रद्धा का डेफिनेशन चेतन बाबू क्या बोलते हैं? ये विश्वास, अगर मैं कृष्ण की सेवा कर दिया मेरा जिंदगी सफल हो जाएगा. अगर मेरी जिंदगी में किसी तरह कृष्ण खुश हो गए, बस मेरे को कुछ और करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये श्रद्धा आसान नहीं है, बहुत जन्मों बाद मिलती है ये भी, लेकिन साधु संग में आपको बहुत आसानी से मिल सकती है. लेकिन आप संग लो तो, संग लेना ये नहीं साथ बैठे, संग लेना मतलब साधु संग. हाँ, देयर इज असत्संग एंड साधु संग. असत्संग त्याग ए वैष्णवाचार स्त्री से श्री संगी एक कृष्ण भक्त आ रहा. असत्संग से दूर होना पड़ता है. असत्संग मतलब दो चीज में लोग इंटरेस्टेड है. एक्चुअली मेनी टाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस दैट when we talk to karmis, we are very happy, delighted. When we talk to devotees, we are feeling suffocated. That means we are desiring material enjoyment. It's a test. ये टेस्ट कर सकते हैं आपको. When you are meeting karmis, you should be suffocated that time. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, I am not saying, you should feel like एक पिंजरे में तो किसी आदमी को डाल के आग में फेंक दो. That's how you should feel when you meet a कर्मी. बट कर्मी के साथ हो, that's very, he is a very nice person. ऐसा ही नहीं, मूर्ख उनको ग्लोरीफाई भी करने आते हैं कर्मियों को. I have seen some people. And devotee, they are difficulty relating to devotee. That means there is consciousness, subconsciousness. Subconsciousness is gone now. He is also in a rat race for material enjoyment inside the heart. Therefore devotee means वो तो उसको हमेशा रिजेक्ट करेंगे, उसको हमेशा डांटेंगे, तो सफोकेशन लगता है. He starts avoiding devotees and runs towards karmis. Karmis नहीं, ये काल लेने का बहुत अच्छा, अरे गया, जाओ उस डायरेक्शन में जाओ. Because karmis are only having a rat race for sense gratification. So actually Sangha is very powerful. We do not know subconsciously how much we absorb. Just like आप इसके साथ बैठे हैं, कितना आप उससे बैक्टीरिया पकड़े आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है. Not only talking, you get desires even by gestures, है ना? What do you say? By the way he's sitting, the way he doesn't have to talk. Just like people in symbolic way, they say the vibration. Vibration is all material terms. His personality itself will actually suffocate you because he is desiring sense gratification. But devotee is desiring. But somebody was telling me, no, मैंने कहा इस्कॉन का टेम्पल क्यों नहीं आते? आप क्या क्यों जाएंगे? जब आते हो डांटते हो, जप नहीं करते, ये नहीं करते, बाकी मंदिर में कोई पूछने वाला तक नहीं है, तो वहाँ जाएंगे, बड़ा अच्छा है. हमारा क्या है, ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको कुछ है. बेसिकली वी हैव सी पॉइंट इज दैट नॉट अवर ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ प्रभुपाद एंड गुरु वी हैव अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो वी वांट एवरीबॉडी टू प्रोग्रेस. व्हाट ही इज नॉट डूइंग विल कीप टेलिंग, ये नहीं करते हो भाई, ये नहीं, क्यों नहीं करते हो, तो उसको सफोकेशन लगता है. और कर्मियों को लगता है बड़ा मजा आता है. बट इफ ही इज डिजायरिंग टू स्पिरिचुअल एडवांस, सो नाइस. Really it was a nice help. Correct? Sadhu means, Guru means heavy. मतलब without any material sentiment, he cuts. It's like doctor होता है ना, mercilessly cuts when he knows something is wrong. Correct? He doesn't show any, what is it, material sympathy. Isn't it true? It doesn't so. If the injection has to be given, mercilessly gives injection. He knows it's needed. He is not sentimental. He is not feeling. He goes ahead. So similarly, we are not sentimental. Truth has to be spoken for the benefit of other person. We are not thinking sentimentally. We are thinking this is because my life is short, people's life is short. On behalf of Guru, Prabhupada, I have to do my duty. I tell the truth. Correct? But sometimes it is suffocating to hear. But karmis, they are not doing that. Arey yaar, bada acha lag raha hai, handsome lag raha hai. And they feel start. We should feel suffocated in the presence of karmis. But we feel suffocated in the presence of devotees means my subconscious is now turning towards material life. Correct? So we can test ourselves. All of us actually. It's not true it's for me also. All of us. Therefore we start desiring. When you are desiring to advance in Krishna consciousness, we come for sadhu. So with sadhu sangha only, your Shraddha will be nourished. Shraddha, Shabde, Vishwa. Then it will be nourished. And then you will be firm faith you will develop. And you see now, you have developed Krishna consciousness in sadhu sangha. And now when you read in Bhagavad Gita here, Bhakti is highest. How much you feel thankful. We gave you the highest thing. अभी तो हम बोले थे बाबू जी जपा करो, भक्ति करो, ये सबसे ऊपर है. लोग ये चीज़ नहीं मानते समाज में. ज्ञान सबसे ऊपर है. या क्या क्या बकवास लोग बोलते हैं. Generally they are, these statements are by impersonalists, speculators. Correct? They don't agree. Bhakti is highest. But when you read now, Bhagavad Gita says, Yoginam api sarvesham madgatantaratmanam shaddavan bhajate yomam same yukta tamo mataha. Immediately say, Hare. See, he did not say anything on his own. Shastra said, the highest is the person, bhajate whom? Krishna is saying me, not Devi Devata. Very clear it is. Shraddavan bhajate yo ma. Bhagavad Gita also Krishna last says, Sarvadharman parityajya mam ekam. Me only you worship. Correct? It's very clear now. Mam ekam. Here, Shraddavan bhajate yo mam. Krishna is very clear, mam. You cannot proper translate very nicely. Rascal, me only. He's just scolding because people are so distracted in India particularly. Oh, here, there. Me only. So if you go to Krishna, then actually your spiritual happiness will start. Adhyatmik sukh shuru hoga. और वो बढ़ता रहेगा, बढ़ता रहेगा, बढ़ता रहेगा, बढ़ता. श्रद्धावान भजते योमाम. करेक्ट? श्रद्धा, साधु संगा, भजन क्रिया, अनर्थ निवृत्ति बढ़ता रहेगा, बढ़ता रहेगा. करेक्ट? अनर्थ निवृत्ति मीन्स जितना भी अनवांटेड आपके डिजायर्स हैं दिल से निकलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. एंड देन आपको मन शांत हो जाएगा. तो आपको बहुत अच्छा. एंड देन उसके बाद जब आप श्रद्धा बढ़ जाएगी, एक्चुअली होल थिंग है श्रद्धा. पूरा स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ श्रद्धा ही है. ग्रेट आचार्यस की भी श्रद्धा है, हमारी भी श्रद्धा है. श्रद्धा का बहुत फर्क होता है. तो इट्स लाइक भक्त लता क्रीपर. श्रद्धा इज कल्टिवेटेड इन गुड संगा. वी कल्टिवेट श्रद्धा, आवर फेथ वी कल्टिवेट, वी ग्रो आवर फेथ, एंड देन वी बेनिफिट इन स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ. सो इट्स वेरी क्लियर. 2 words है, श्रद्धा एंड भजन. ठीक है. सो आफ्टर दिस नाउ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल श्लोका विल कम. Prabhupada has given maximum classes for 7.1. If you analyze which shloka, when Prabhupada had any public lecture, they say, Swamiji, take class of any shloka. Prabhupada chose the next shloka. What is the next? Maya Sakta. You see in Vedavis, maximum number of classes. Maya Sakta Mana Partha Yogam Yunjam Adashaya Asamshayam Samagram Mam Yata Gyasita Shunu. Each word, some classes Prabhupada has taken one word, some classes another word. It's taken so much time he has spent on it. So favorite shloka of Prabhupada. But this shloka sets a foundation. जो भी योगा कर रहे हो, जनरली लोग का क्या है, जनरली पीपल अट्रैक्टेड टू द एक्सरसाइज योगा. अरे भाई नाक दबा के हाथ हाथ हिला के भगवान नहीं मिलते, ऐसा मजाक नहीं है. भगवान के लिए आपको भक्ति करना पड़ता है.